Hi everyone, in my last video I created a Dovetail box, and in this video I will create an inlay drawer based on it. Now let's get started. First I'm going to modify the left panel. We tend not to use the miter joint for the drawer box, so we are going to delete it. Include a mirror and this datum plane. Let me check this pocket. It's the glue on the bottom, then it's this pocket, delete it. Next, we are going to modify the boolean cut for the back panel. So activate the back panel and go to the boolean body. And we can delete all the miter features. We can hide the left panel to check. That's right. And I need to delete this sketch. For the front panel, we don't need a crown body. So here we need to delete this front panel, and we are going to duplicate it again. Select the back panel and go to Edit, Duplicate Object. Then uncheck all, select the back panel, and select the last feature. Then click OK. Now we can hide the back panel to check. We can press the F2 key to rename it as the front panel. Then go to the placement and rotate it 180 degrees. Then go to the position. Move it in the Y direction and go to the FX. Input the box width. And reverse the direction. OK. Let me show the back panel. Next, we are going to modify the front panel and create a sketch on this face. Then draw a rectangle. And make these 2 points to be symmetrical. Then add dimension. This is the box height and the box length. Then close the sketch and go to Pad. I'll keep the length to 10. Then go to the right view to check. Make sure the direction is outward. OK. Here we need to modify the parameters for the pin socket. Let's open the spreadsheet and go to Window. Tilt these two windows and adjust the windows a little bit. After that, modify the edge offset to 5. Then it creates the half pin socket on the top and the bottom. Then modify the pin socket width to 10. OK. Next, the box size. The length is 460. Width is 530. And the height is 156. Then the panel thickness. OK. At last, we are going to assemble this drawer. Let's create a new document. And open it. Go to the Assemble Workbench. Create a new assemble. Before insert panels, we need to save the file. And name it as the inlay drawer assembly. Now we can insert the panel. First, insert the back panel and make it as the grounded part. And then continue to insert the other panels. Click OK. And the next, we're going to add joints between panels. Before that, we can drag the panels to make the panels apart firstly. Then create a fixed joint and select the glue face on the back panel. Then we can select the side face on the bottom panel. Here we can see the axis on the face. That the Z direction is vertical to the face. We need to make sure it's the same on the bottom panel. That's good. Click OK. Next, let's continue to add a fixed joint. Then select the points on the left panel and the points on the back panel. That's it. And before add a joint for the right panel, let's select it and rotate it 180 degrees. Then drag it and add a fixed joint. Select the point on the back panel. Here we can move the cursor to adjust the axis. Select it. OK. Now let me refresh the file and select the front panel. Go to Placement, rotate 180 degrees. Then create a fixed joint. Select the point on the front panel and the point on the right panel. Next, rotate 180 degrees. That's it. OK. That's all for this inlay drawer assemble. And the next video I will show you how to create a chest of drawers. OK, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I will see you in the next one.